conservation of momentum. The setup for this experiment is identical to that one of experiment 3, projectile motion, if you want to review the previous video for that. With one exception, there's a ball that sits on the end of the track here, and you have 2 pieces of paper on the floor. Two pieces of carbon paper. Now, actually, before you put the carbon paper down there, you want to determine the amount of time it takes for the ball to travel from here to here, just as you did in the previous experiment 3. Once you have done that, place the carbon paper in position. Put the ball here. You have 2 different balls. I'm showing just the aluminum, but you have one case steel on steel, and the other case is steel on aluminum. I'm just going to show the steel on aluminum case. Place the ball here, release as you did in the previous experiment. Okay, now, there may be a little problem. Let's see. You see there's 2 indentations here. There's this one and this one and this one, and back here this one. Notice the difference in these 2 and that one. Those are the bounces. It didn't hit as hard, and so they're not as deep. So this is where the steel ball hit, and this is where the aluminum ball hit. This is where the steel ball bounced the first time, and I imagine that was the second bounce of the steel ball. Disregard those. If you're going to do this experiment several times, you may want to draw a circle around these just to indicate that they're spurious. Measure the distance then. From the position below the end of the track to where the steel ball hit, and the distance to where the aluminum ball hit, and use those to determine the momenta of the balls after the collision.